The more years go by, the more I learn new things to love about you. You are the most amazing woman to me. The impact of your love is undeniable, has made me realize how much I adore you. My life with you has transformed my dreams into realities. Thank you for standing up for me and supporting me behaving when the whole world is against me. Even after all these years, I can proudly say, my darling girlfriend, you are my hero. Sometimes God is too generous, and sometimes people are just lucky for me. Both are true. Nobody can believe that I adore you the way I do, because it is hard to imagine that a love like ours can exist. I am honored to share my life with you forever. I will forever be thankful to God for gifting me with you. You are not just my girlfriend, you are my best friend. I know I can always count on you. I cherish you so much. I love you, my girlfriend. You are one in a million, baby. I have received many gifts in my life. None can be compared to you. I do not know how long my life will be, but I know that every second will be worth a lifetime, because it will be spent with you. Come to my dreams. If you can, I will see you there tonight. I will fall asleep with you in my heart. You will be the last thing I think of before I fall to sleep, and the first thing to remember when I wake up. Every day I spend with you is the new best day of my life. Can't wait for the morning. Good night. My days are worth it if I can end them with you. By my side, good night. Sleeping is impossible when all I can think about is you. Good night. The brightest thing is this word are your eyes when you look at me. I don't want to see stars, but your eyes have a good night. Before I fall asleep, I always picture what it would feel like to fall asleep in your arms. It's the best feeling in the world. I am in my bed. You are in your bed. On of us in is in the wrong place every night. I love coming back home because home is being in your arms. Good night. You deserve all the happiness in the world. Just try so we can meet in person. I really want to see you. My love in person to show my love I have for you, honey. I love you more each day. My heart beats for you, and my body longs for every day. I can't wait to have you in my arms, honey.